When you're riding a Transalp, you're probably tackling a mix of highways, trails, and everything in between, and that's exactly what the Sw-Motech Adventure Handguard kit was built for. Now these aren't just guards to make your bars look good, but they're serious protection with a clean, purposeful design. It's going to complement your bike's design perfectly, and you do get two. We're just showing you one for practicality here, but they do come in a tough aluminum powder-coated bracket here for durability, and you also get the high-impact plastic shell. Now these guards are ready to take hits, whether it's from branches on a tight trail, gravel on the highway, or even a low-speed tip over. And what I personally really like about them is how lightweight they are without sacrificing strength. They're about 3 pounds in total, so they're not going to throw off your handling at all. And the installation is also super straightforward. You get a 2-point mount that doesn't need any special tools. And if you even want to take things further, you can put the Sw-Motech crash pad set for more protection, or the extension set for better coverage on longer rides. Overall, this is a thoughtful, purpose-built kit that's going to give your Transalp that rugged adventure look while making sure your controls and your hands are going to stay protected when the riding gets tougher. Now again, I do love that 2-point mounting system that you get here. It's going to give you that additional protection. Even if you do tip over, this isn't going to collapse in on your hands. You are going to get a sturdy protection from the actual bar itself, and then you get the nice plastic shell here to give you a little bit more protection from the weather and any debris, things like that. Now guys, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in a set of these handguards, we have them online at accessoryinternational.com. If you found any value out of this video today, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.